Wagwan people, welcome back to Jamaican Backyard Gardening. Today I have them a little trellis system I may set up. Start do it yesterday, but I forgot to record the earlier part of the video because it did kinda late yesterday evening, but I'll try to finish it up. So today I plant some cucumber and some string peas. Now this need to finish full up that one, and then need to plant some cucumber another one right so. As you see, it's just 4 bamboo pole for me mount and tie them at the top. So it's a pretty simple system to set up. Just get 2 used tires, cut one side off and then fill it with dirt, topsoil, compost soil, anyone we have. So this is pretty much a mega work on today. So really hot today. If you notice over here, so I have some broccoli and some cabbage. Sun I do them bad, but by sun gone down later, them come back up and really nice. Them just look a bit pale right now. So I have the small pot of string bean here. Right now I plant today. I can't plant all of them because there's a lot of seeds in it. I need to plant all of them. And then I have the rest of the cucumber. I plant some of them already before, so just I plant the rest of them now. Most time people set the seeds and I like the seeding tree them and allow them to grow and then them transplant them, but now I'm gonna do that today. I'll just plant them directly in the area where I want them to grow, because I'm not really plan to move them again. So I get some water for see if I can water the seeds that I just plant, and it's a little watering can. Normally you see people with them little watering can with them buy a store, but no bother with that. Just get a little empty feeding. It's a one baby feeding thing. I just get one nail and punch some hole in it. So work good. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for today. So remember to just like the video guys, share it with your friends and leave a comment Remember to subscribe to the channel, you see me? Till next time, one out.